Isabella, you're the one, keeps me on the run between my home.
Good morning from Luce. We are going to Logarska Dolina today. It's apparently this beautiful, beautiful place with amazing views, even better than the place we were at yesterday or a few days ago. We tried to go to this place yesterday, but it was rainy, so we were just kind of lazy bums a little bit and just walked around. But today's the day, rain or shine, we're going. Let's go.
It's so hard to be away, but in my heart I know you'll grow up strong. Singing songs, magic wands, right from wrong, driving cars, acrobat, brand new cap, softball bat at the tech.
So I don't know if you can tell, but it's more pretty heavy.
You know that?
I don't know. So many guys in that bachelor party is 11, and we only really see them to the table at one time. So they recognize us easier than we recognize them. It really is down there.
Through it all, you know I'll be there.
Oh, she's so sad in that. In a cute little jacket. Thanks, Linda. Thanks for the Christmas present.
Stop.
It's being used. I know. Well, at least we got this nice bar to look at.
Yeah.
And some goats over there. Hi, goats.
The hills are fucking alive, bitch.
Through it all, you know I'll be there. I love you, Isabella, all the places we will go. I love you, Isabella, I'll teach you everything I know. I love you, Isabella, I'll be here with you till I go. I love you, Isabella, there is so much I have to show you, Isabella. Isabella, I can tell you're like a shooting star in the dark. I know some magnets don't connect, but they can't pull ours apart.
So, we're trying to get to a waterfall, and I'm really tired. We've been going uphill for maybe about 5 kilometers, 3 miles, and Morgan's somewhere behind me, but I'm trying to hurry up because the skies are starting to turn gray again. I really want to get that drone footage. And the worst part is we got to get back to our workaway to go cook dinner, and we're about an hour and a half bike ride away, so yeah. We made it to the top of the mountain, or not the top of the mountain, but where the waterfall is. It's about 10-minute hike. We have to park our place. I'm gonna go back and get Morgan because she wasn't sure which way I went. But yeah, we made it up. It did start to rain pretty good. I don't want to jinx it, but it's starting to slow down again. Yeah, hopefully it stops so we can do a little bit of journey with this.
The summer, spring and fall, friends you trust and friends you want. Lots of do's, lots of don'ts, don't forget your code.
Slovenian for waterfall, I think. It is, I think it's like the biggest waterfall in Slovenia.
Second biggest.
Second largest. I don't know. If I'm wrong, I'll mention it on the screen. But it's incredible. It was a hell of a hike to get here. Maybe just because we're so not fit at all that it was a hike for us. But it was so worth it.
I love you, Isabella. There is so much I have to show you, Isabella. I'll take the heat for what's behind. I do believe what I'm doing is right. I know these things need time. Stars, please align. Isabella, you're the one. Hold you in my arms and I feel home. Know that as long as I'm around, I promise you will never feel alone. I love you, Isabella, all the places we will go. I love you, Isabella, I'll teach you everything I know. I love you, Isabella, I'll be here with you till I go. I love you, Isabella, there is so much I have to show you, Isabella.
Oh, baby, don't you talk to me. Oh, baby, don't you talk to me. 'Cause you and me got...
Oh, come on, horsey.
Got nothing left to say, so don't try and spit it anyway. Yeah.
So we are ending our day at Logarska Dolina. It was a crazy day. It rained actually at the perfect times, and then we got to film what we wanted to film, which was awesome. Of course, we wish we had more time here, but we have to hurry back in our duties as workawayers. We have to make dinner. But yeah, this place was amazing. We probably will be back before the end of our 2 weeks, but I think we're gonna end the video here, and a lot more coming up, so stay tuned. Bye.
'Cause it feels like I ain't made my mind up yet. Still a couple things I can't forget, like the space between my fingers where your little hand used to fit. They said it would close over, but that hasn't happened yet. 'Cause I got scars